Okay, so a few weeks ago, I let you guys know that I'm going to create a little business course, how to start a home business. Okay, so a bunch of you signed up for the email list, and I got a lot of feedback from some of you, and you guys included on what you wanted in this course. So in that time frame, I just created it. Okay, so in this video, we'll talk about what's in it. Okay, so this business course has over 4.5 hours of video footage. Me just showing you how my business came about, okay, my journey. It's about 49 video chapters, okay? Some of them are 20 minutes long, some of them are only a minute or two long, but there's 49 of them, okay? And I do want to mention that just the other night, I had an idea to add 3 more videos, okay? So this is going to be an ongoing thing. I'm sure I'm going to get questions and feedback from you guys, so I will add more content to this, okay? I know there's going to be questions, okay? But anyway, this business course is going to teach you like 2 different business scenarios, okay? Or you can actually use both to complement each other, okay? So over here, I service motorcycles, okay? So I'll teach you how to start a service business, and I charge 40 to 60 an hour, okay? Okay, so on the service side, I earn about 40 to 60 bucks an hour servicing motorcycles. I'll show you how to get your first customers and how to get up and rolling. We'll talk about LLC, liability insurance, banking accounts, all that stuff which is required to operate a business, right? All right, so over here though, online, we'll talk about YouTube, how you can make some money on YouTube and maybe even selling some digital products or physical products. So we'll cover all that, okay? Now, I do want to mention that over here, I average like $400 to $600 a month of additional income, okay? And over here, I will tell you that it's a lot more. And I'll disclose how much I make in this video course. Why not, right? I'm not going to do it here publicly, but I'll do it over here. Okay, so I've been doing this for 9 years at averaging 1 hour a day, okay? So I pumped 3,300 hours at least into this business, okay? Little by little, it's been growing, okay? And this is side business stuff, guys. I know you probably have a day job and you can't devote a lot of time to this, but if you commit 1 hour a day, I guarantee you're gonna see results, okay? If you do anything for an hour a day, you will see results, whether it's working out, playing the guitar, whatever, right? You're gonna see results. And you know, there's 24 hours in a day. 1 hour is 4% of your time. That's it. 4% of your day can be devoted to building something, and it'll happen, guys. Okay, so this business course does cost a couple bucks. The link is in the upper right and in the video description if you're interested. And for whatever reason you don't like it, you have 30 days to ask for your money back, no questions asked. Because at the end of the day, I mean, what I want you to get from this is to learn something and to act on it, to go and start something and provide a little bit of income for you. So I know this has nothing to do with motorcycles, but you know what? Over the years, a lot of people have reached out. Hey, how do I get started in motorcycle repair? Or hey, what about this idea? Or what about vapor blasting? So I know there's tons of people that want to start stuff up, okay? Well, this is a shortcut to help you out because you know what? In the 9 years, I did everything myself, okay? And I could be where I am today if I had some kind of course that I took or some mentors. I could have chopped down this timeline big time. But hey, so that's it. So let me know what you think in the comments below.